back to my channel, pretty. So if you do lash extensions, you know exactly who this company is. QL, hopefully I'm saying that correct. But they sent me this lash shampoo kit. I'm just taking everything out of the package to show you guys. So here's the bottle that they included. I love this bottle. So efficient to use versus the one I was using before. Then you have the lash shampoo. So nice, y'all. This lash shampoo is so foamy, which you will see later in the video. So creamy, foamy, and it cleanses really good. So yeah, I'm just taking that out to show you guys how big that is. Super nice. I love it. It's so sleek, and it just, I don't know, it does have like a little scent to it. It smells great. It's not too strong though. Here is the brush, lash brush, and the spoolie that they included as well. I love how like soft but dense this brush is, so you can get all up in there, but it's still like soft and flexible. And then the spoolie, which is reusable as long as you sanitize. So I'm just, y'all see how, ooh, y'all see how like creamy and nice that is? Like, I was looking at it and I was like, dang, this is nice. This is nice. This is my first time using it, so you can see that in the video. And I'm using like an under eye pad just to make sure it doesn't like wet her mask. I don't know, that's like one of my pet peeves is when I like get my client's mask wet, so I try to prevent that. I'm putting another pump on there. Her lashes are pretty dirty, so yeah, she's one of the clients where I just know I always have to do a lash bath on, so it's perfect to use their lash shampoo on her, and it cleansed it so well. So I'm just doing the other eye and doing the same process. You can see I'm showing it on my hand, y'all, just to show y'all how creamy and nice that lash shampoo is. So continuing with the second eye, completing that lash bath, getting all up in there, and you will have some lashes fall out. That's perfectly fine. That's normal. They were probably going to fall out anyway, so you want to make sure you get all of them within the bath. And I'm adding another pump on there. Like I said, her lashes were pretty dirty, so I want to make sure I get a thorough cleanse. I don't want to see anything left on her lashes, basically, except the lash extensions. And I'm taking this great bottle that they sent me to rinse her lashes. And I make sure I rinse pretty well, so you can see I'm just patting it there so it doesn't leak down into her mask or down the side of her face. I'm gentle with the wiping. I go underneath and wipe as well. And I just go ahead and rinse the second eye and do the same process. So yeah, pretty simple. It makes it really efficient and easy to rinse their lashes, and you don't have to put much pressure on the bottle for the water to come out. So just making sure you get up in there and wipe that well, but you don't have to wipe dry it super dry, because you're going to go in with other products, which I'll show you in a minute. So I'm taking Micellar water, I believe that's how you say it, Garnier Micellar water, and I'm taking the little micro swab, and I dip the swab into the bottle. I didn't show it on camera, but I dipped it into the bottle. I'm just going in and thoroughly getting in those lashes and cleansing them. When I got trained, this is how they taught me, and I love this idea because yes, the lash shampoo works very well, but sometimes it doesn't get all that waterproof like eye makeup they may have on. So I use Micellar water to get any remaining makeup, oil, dirt that's left, and I use the micro swab to get like in between the lashes, like the small places the brushes can't get. And this, y'all will be surprised how much like makeup is still on their eyes when you do this, by the way. She didn't have that much, thank God, because that lash shampoo works so well. But usually I still have like basically the little micro swab would be black for makeup. Then I go in with witch hazel. So I know this seems so crazy, but yes, I actually prime with witch hazel. It's a cheap alternative of primer. Instead of going out and buying primer, you can use witch hazel instead, and it's a great natural disinfectant. It's safe for your eyes. Witch hazel also promotes hair growth. It's a great astringent. So yeah, I don't know, it's a great thing to use. People don't know much about it, but if you guys are looking for a primer, definitely use witch hazel. It strips the hair from any oil, dirt, anything that's left back in there. And your hair is like skin, like absorbs anything you put on it, so you want to, you know, get all those stuff out so your lash extensions will stick better. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Say we in the wheel, it going fast, call that shit need for speed. Got your horn in my head, cause I'm